My name is Divyansh, and up until 10th grade, I was studying back in the Indian curriculum back at my school in New Delhi. I did register for the scholarship contest, and as far as I remember, the first round was an aptitude test based on maths and science. So I took the test online, sitting back in my home in Delhi. So I took the test, and about 3 or 4 days later, or about a week later, I got to know that I was among the top 20 who had qualified from the aptitude test. And after that, for the second round, I had to make a video on a STEM topic and fill in about a couple essays and fill in my achievements and profile, which I did, and I really enjoyed making the video. I mean, I did have to scratch my brains a bit, thinking of a topic, what to do, how to present it, what not to do.
Yeah.
So, but that was fun because I don't really make videos and those kind of things, but that was a cool learning experience because that was something that I was doing for the first time. So I did make a video on, I think, the future of space exploration. I did make a video on that topic. And I had fun making it, and luckily I got selected into the top 5 based on that video and the essays. And for the top 5, I had to fly to Mumbai to give an interview, and there I had an interview with you and Ms. Gosha. The interview went really well. I felt confident while answering, and I felt happy. And after about an hour of giving the interview, I got to know that I was the one who was selected. So I was on top of the moon at that point. I was not thinking of anything else. So on the flight back home, which was just in another 3 or 4 hours, on the flight back home, all I could think was of going to Switzerland and just having fun here. It's been an amazing experience. First of all, the cultural diversity is just off the charts. Like, people of more than 50 countries just studying together, living together, and having fun together. It's just an amazing experience in itself.
Yeah.
And the education has been completely different to what I've been used to. It's much more practical based and more hands-on approach. And it's a very new experience for me, which I'm really enjoying. It's theoretical learning goes hand in hand with experiential learning, and you apply that knowledge that you've learned to a project or to real life situations. So for example, we've started working on internal assessments and everything in our various classes. So that is, for example, in business, we just had our internal assessment. So taking all the theoretical knowledge that you've learned and applying it to a research question or a research project, and applying all your knowledge to a real world context, that I think is something that I wasn't used to before, which I have gained here. So in 10th grade, I was engaged in a lot of extracurricular activities. So all my academics went hand in hand with the extracurriculars. It's just that I felt the need to always push myself beyond the ordinary. So academics, sure, I did put in a lot of effort, but I always felt the need to challenge myself and also utilize my skills that I felt that I could contribute to a particular cause in a perfect way, in a good way. So that is why I went beyond the academic curriculum to just be part of everything that I could be, and I didn't let opportunities slip by. I tried to make use of every opportunity that came my way. So for example, applying to the contest, to the scholarship contest, that in itself was one thing which, if I was overburdened with work, which I wouldn't have applied, but I just like to grab on every opportunity there is. So that is why I was involved in a lot of Olympiads, and in a lot of I was in the school student council. I was engaged in a lot of volunteer work. I also did theater and just national level contests, math and science, so a lot of things. So I just tried to make use of every opportunity that I knew was out there, and I just tried to apply and put my best foot forward. Just don't back away from opportunities just because you think you might not be cut out for it. Just apply, just give it your best shot and hope for the best. In my free time, first of all, I just talk to my friends, which is kind of an unwinding aspect for me. I also watch some movies in my free time, or movies or series, so that helps me. Or otherwise, I'm just listening to music, or occasionally just read some book that I find interesting. So that is how I just unwind.